A very warm welcome, students. Today in this session we are going to learn triangles and more other concepts of triangles. Okay, our first topic is figures. There are two types of figures. First is congruent figures and other is similar figures. Okay, what are these kinds of figures? How can we identify whether the two figures are congruent or similar? This is the very basic and very important topic which will lead to understand further topics. Okay, so be concentrate and be clear your concepts of these congruent and similar figures. Very simple but very tricky. Okay, congruent figures are two figures having same shape and size. Okay, two figures of triangles. They can be any figure. Either it can be of figures of two triangles, circles, rectangles, polygons, whatever. Okay, but in this chapter we will only take triangles, but to understand these topics we can take other figures also, but further in our lectures and other concepts we will only talk about triangles. Okay, so two figures which can be either triangle, circle, polygon, hexagon, anything. Two figures having the same shape, and same size. Example, square. Same size and same shape. Okay, these are equal. Then these two figures are said to be congruent figures. Okay, students. Now, what are similar figures? They are having the same shape but not necessarily the same size. Okay, but not necessarily same size. They will have same shape, and in similar figures it can be possible that they have same size also, but it is not necessary that it will have same size. Okay, no rough and tough rule in similar figures that there should be same size also, but shape should be same. Okay, and the size will only decreased or increased in a fixed amount of ratio. Okay, so the ratio of increasing or decreasing the size, it should be equal, it should be in a fixed proportion. Okay, students, so the examples of similar figures are a big triangle and a small triangle. The shapes are same, but the sizes of these two figures are different, but they are similar figures. They will come in under similar figures. Okay, and suppose there are two triangles having same shape and size, then they will come under congruent figures. Okay, students, I hope the basic concept of congruent and similar are clear. One more thing, students, all congruent figures are similar figures, but similar figures are not need to be congruent. The meaning is all these congruent figures can also be said that they are similar figures also. Okay, but these similar figures are not to be said congruent figures. Okay, students, so this is the summary and this is the main concept of these kinds of two figures. Okay, now we will meet in our next session and learn about the other concepts of triangles.